Receiving money on Magento is essential for managing transactions effectively. This guide will walk you through the straightforward steps to set up payment processing on your Magento store. Step 1. Access the admin panel. Log into your Magento admin panel using your credentials. This is where you will manage all settings related to your store, including payment options. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. In the admin panel, go to Stores and then select Configuration. Under the Sales section, click on Payment Methods to view the available payment options. Step 3. Choose a payment gateway. Select a payment gateway that suits your business needs. Popular options include PayPal, Stripe, and Authorize. Next, click on the desired payment method to configure it. Step 4. Configure payment settings. Fill in the required fields for the selected payment gateway, such as API keys, merchant account details, and any other necessary information. Ensure that you enable the payment method for your store. Step 5. Test the payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Shark.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily set up and receive payments on your Magento store. Make sure to regularly check your payment settings and update them as needed to ensure smooth transactions.